Hey y'all, and welcome back. So glad you could join me today. Today we're gonna do some shrimp tacos. Now I love shrimp tacos, but I have never made shrimp tacos. Ever in my life have I cooked and made shrimp tacos. So today, like a lot of videos we've done in the past, is a first. We kind of learn as we go along. That's the whole joy of cooking, is doing it, figuring out what works, figuring out what don't work, and just making it better as you go along. And that's what I love doing here. I love trying things out for the first time, and I love doing it on camera right here with you. So let's go ahead and fire this griddle up, and let's show you some groceries, and let's get to cooking. All right, for this cook today, I think I'm just gonna go with these 3 burners right here, and I'm gonna turn them all the way down to low. That should be good. All right, let's talk groceries, y'all. We're gonna start off over here with this shrimp. We have some small shrimp. I didn't get the extra large or colossal or anything. You use whatever size shrimp you want, but I chose to go with the small shrimp. Already peeled, deveined, tail off, everything. Got some lettuce, we got some red cabbage right here. Whatever you want to call this, a red or a purple onion, go out and get you one of them. Got a couple limes, we got a fairly fresh avocado right there. The shrimp, I'm gonna season with this island stir fry by Blackstone. I think that's gonna give these tacos a really, really great flavor. Of course, I got some cilantro, got some cotija, I can't pronounce this, cotija cheese. Cotija, there you go. Go out and get you some of this cheese here. And of course we have some tortilla shells. I'm using the flour. If you only use corn, that's by all means go get the corn. Now for my sauce, I'm gonna use some Duke's mayonnaise, some sriracha, a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of tequila lime seasoning, and probably put up some that cilantro in this sauce also. All right, now that you know what we're cooking with and our griddle's heating up, let's go ahead and get all our stuff ready. I'm gonna start out with this cotija cheese. I think I got it right that time. Let's get that shredded up. So basically, it just crumbles. It's a good crumbly Mexican cheese. As you see, it's just crumbling. I pretty much don't need a shredder, do I? But I think that'll be enough right there. Yeah, as you see, you can just kind of pick it, take it, and just crumble it up. Good crumbly cheese. Like I said, I kind of learned as I go along. I didn't need the shredder for the cotija cheese. It just fell apart. So now we got the cheese shredded, crumbled, whatever you want to call it. Let's cut this onion up. Ooh, it's windy out here today. So I think I'm just gonna dice it like so. I think I just diced this red onion up right here. I think the dicing will be pretty good for it, for what I'm wanting to do with it right there. I think that'll work. Grab you a bowl, just put all your diced onion in there. I think I just want kind of a fine shred. I don't need much cabbage for this recipe, I don't think. We'll just take that right there. We'll just cut some fine shreds out of it. So grab another bowl, put it in there. Next up, lettuce. Just gonna take some of that right there. And just kind of shred it up just like we did the cabbage. Maybe do a little more. And there we go. I've got a pile of lettuce ready. Next up, let's get this avocado done. So I'm just gonna take it and cut it around like this. I'm not a great avocado cutter, as you can see, but that's all right. Look at that, came right open. Take your knife and get that pit out. I'm gonna take it and just slice a quarter of this thing like this. Like so, and hopefully, just hopefully, it peels right off. Like so, look at that. It's kind of what we want right there. That's kind of what I want it to do right there. Look at that, peeled right off, like that. Once you get the avocado peeled up, we gotta chop it up. So we're just gonna take it and just kind of slice it like this. real thin slices. Cut it however you want. If you want to dice it, that's fine. I think this is gonna look pretty good on them shrimp tacos. And last but not least, that's cilantro. Now, the cilantro is going to be used as a topping, and I'm going to use some in that sauce. So in that sauce, I want a really fine chop. So I'm going to make this for the sauce. Kind of like that right there. I think that'll work. So now I'm going to grab the bowl that I'm going to make the sauce in and go ahead and put the cilantro down in there. Just like that. But we still need some cilantro to kind of top off the tacos. So let's cut some of that up. I don't want quite as a fine cut of cilantro for that. So I'm just gonna give it a rough little chop here. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Just a little rough chop, kind of garnish it with. There we go, about like that right there. All right, let me get cleaned up, then we gotta make that sauce. Okay, to make this sauce, I'm really not gonna measure anything. I'm gonna use some tablespoons right here and we'll kind of measure it out that way. So I think I'm gonna take me two good heaping fulls of Duke's mayonnaise right here. Maybe, let's go 3. Let's do 3. Go 3 of those. Let's see, a good tablespoon of, or more than a tablespoon. Anyhow, that much sour cream. Let's see here. I think I want to throw some little sriracha in here. Like so, just a little bit. Sriracha to your taste. Some tequila lime. Speaking of limes, we gotta cut one open and squeeze one in there. So I'm gonna take it and just kind of roll this out. Kind of soften that lime up some. Cut it. I need a juice squeezer. I don't have one. You think I'd go out and buy one, but no, I'm hard-headed. I'd rather squeeze it with my hand. So let's get that lime in there. Get all that good juice in there. I think I'll use both sides. Both halves. All right, let's mix it up and see what we got. Well, it looks pretty good. Oh, yeah, that is great. Now, me personally, I would put more sriracha in it, but I got others eating this that don't like a lot of spiciness. So I'm gonna leave that sriracha out. I can just add it to my personal taco. But right now, I promise you, this tastes great. I love the way this is gonna be good on these tacos. Let's go check on that griddle. Well, everything's prepped, it's all ready. I'm seeing that white smoke. Let's get some groceries on the griddle. So I'm gonna throw down some oil. Just kind of spread that around here. Now, if you want to, before you put the shrimp on the griddle, go ahead and season it and mix it all in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and season it on the griddle. Throw my shrimp down, get it all in there. Hit it with this island stir fry. Oh man, that smells good. Give it a good mix. I think I'm gonna give it a little more island flavor, because I'm an island boy, just trying to make, oh man, you wasn't supposed to see that. Give our shrimp a quick stir. Look how pink that's already turning. Oh yeah, won't be just a minute, this shrimp will be done. Now, while that shrimp's cooking, let's throw down some tortillas over here on the other side of the griddle. Kind of warm them up over here. I think I'll just do 6 for right now. I think that'll be good. All right, let's go ahead and flip this tortillas. They only been on about 30 seconds. Look at that. Getting a little brownish, nice golden color to them. Yeah, them tortillas are starting to brown up now a little bit. Now shrimp is just about done. All right, them tortillas are ready. That shrimp is ready. Let's take them up and build us some shrimp tacos. Go ahead and take the shrimp up right here on this plate, like so. Look at that beautiful shrimp, y'all. And take our tortillas up on the other side. Let's go over here and build some tacos. Well, the time has come to build these tacos. So let's go ahead and get these tortillas in this taco rack and start assembling. Got this taco rack right here made by Blackstone. If you're looking for it, you can find it on their website or at Walmart. I'll have a link down there in the description to it if you just happen to be looking for one of these. They're perfect for something like this. So, what do we want to put on first? I think I'm gonna put that red cabbage. Now, if you want to mix that red cabbage and that lettuce together and kind of add it in like a slaw, you can do that. But I think I'm gonna layer mine. So I'm just gonna little red cabbage in the bottom of each one here. Give it a good little crunch and some color. Just like that there. I think next I'll add a little lettuce. Don't need much. Kind of like this here. There we go. Think I'll put some red onion on next, or purple onion, or whatever color onion this is, I'm gonna put some on it. Put just a little bit on each one. Don't need much. There we are. So I think I'm gonna go with the shrimp next. So let's just put some shrimp on here. Kind of load it up if you want to. So that's the good thing about doing it here at your house. Load as much shrimp. If you want to put all this shrimp on one, you can do that. Get this last one filled up with some shrimp. Some shrimps. Now, something I forgot to mention when I'm making the sauce is you can put the sauce on with a spoon if you want to, or you can run out to Walmart or whatever store you want to and buy these little bottles right here, fill them up, and then you can kind of squirt it on there, a little more controlled. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is put some in a bottle where I can put them on these tacos and make them look pretty. So I got my bottle. Get you a funnel also. Little funnel. We're just gonna get it on down in there. Okay, I think next I'm gonna put this sauce on there, y'all. Just kind of put some sauce on here. If you're gonna make it look really fancy, you kind of just throw some off on the board like that there, or you can just go across it like this here, and to make it really Instagrammable. So now we're gonna put a cotija cheese on here. I'm gonna take it and just kind of sprinkle it over like this. I ain't gonna try to be fancy with it. I ain't gonna try to be clean with it. I'm just gonna make sure it's on there. Like so. I'm gonna take a little of cilantro and just kind of dust. Got a lot of wind out here today, so it's kind of hard to dust in the wind. Ha, you get it? Now, I got the lime over here in case anybody that wants to eat one of these can squeeze a little lime on their own. They're more welcome to. Put more sriracha on it. Whatever you want to top more on yours, you can. But I think these look great just the way they are. Y'all just look at how these shrimp tacos have turned out. Man, I'm sure they're so packed full of flavor. And that sauce is on there too. Just adds to the flavor. Man, we really got to try one of these out. I almost forgot about the avocados. Let's get some of those on there. I'm gonna put this on a few of them, as most people don't like them. All right, let's try it out. Grab that one there. Let's see here. That's amazing. That is truly amazing. The flavors. Man, flavors keep coming. You start off with that crunchiness of that cabbage, with that lettuce, and then you hit that sauce and that shrimp with that island seasoning, that sauce with all the flavors that's in that sauce. And that avocado just has a nice little punch, like, not a punch, but a little sweetness, a little tart to it, I guess you call it. I don't know what you call it, the avocado adds, but it's really good. Along with that cilantro, I mean, this is really good. If this is wrong, I don't want to be right. Anyhow, try this out. Let me know what you do different. I would love to know. I love knowing what people do different in their own recipes, because everybody likes something different. And there's nothing wrong with that. So I've always said there's no right way to make anything. You make it like you like it. That's the great thing about cooking. I may not like onions. You may like onions. You may like onions. I may, whatever. You get the point. So try it out. Let me know what you do different. Maybe add jalapenos, maybe some more lime, maybe some more sriracha. I don't know. Let me know. I got to get on. I got to head inside. I got some other things I got to get done. Hope you enjoyed the video. One more thing, if you're still around, there's a join button down below. There's no obligation for that whatsoever. It's just another great way to help this channel out. All the liking and subscribing, the thumbs up, and everything you're watching and all that good stuff you've been doing really does help out. I do appreciate that. That's just another way to help us out. There again, no obligation. I love you either way, and I got to finish these up, and we'll see you next time.